Hello everyone, welcome back to RGB Links channel. In this video, we are going to unboxing the NDI codec and live streaming node TAO 1mini. As you can see, the packaging is very modern and minimalist. Let's open it up. It consists of two parts, one mini tripod and one storage bag. There is also a shock absorbing sponge to secure the products. Let's open the little box. We have a mini tripod inside. Let's see what's in this bag. We have the quick starter for guidance. The TAO 1mini short shoe, the charger, also fitted into the shock absorbing sponge, so it's double secured. The appearance of TAO 1mini is very innovative, feels very light and convenient to use. Let's try to install TAO 1mini to the mini tripod. Very steady. I can imagine this on any studio desk. Now let's install TAO 1mini to the camera and see how it goes. We can preview it directly from TAO 1mini and operate on it. It's very compact and portable, which can come in handy. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. As always, share, like, subscribe, and keep streaming.